The Supreme Court has stayed the criminal case against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has got relief from Supreme Court in a protest case. And the top court has stopped the proceedings in a criminal case against Siddaramaiah over a protest march held by him in 2022 against the previous government. He had demanded resignation of the then Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Minister K.S. Eshwarappa. And the court also stayed the proceedings against present state ministers Ramalinga, Reddy and MB Patil and senior Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala over the same protest. And the Karnataka High Court had refused to quash the criminal case against Siddaramaiah and others. In the court, Siddaramaiah had submitted that it was a political protest and the criminal case was a violation of the right to protest. A political protest conducted peacefully without any criminal intent cannot be muzzled using penal provisions. Harish, as far as this development is concerned, clearly there's relief, not just for Karnataka Chief Minister, but several of the other ministers as well. But a quick backdrop as to what this case was and the allegations that were leveled against them.
Yes, in fact, this comes as a huge relief for Siddaramaiah, not only Siddaramaiah, but another senior Congress leader, Randeep Surjewala. And this incident pertains to February 14, 2022, where they were leading a protest against the then Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, seeking the resignation of Minister K. Eshwarappa in a corruption case. In fact, this matter, the affair pertained to this. The trial court had initiated proceedings finding prima facie evidence. They had come to Supreme Court after the Karnataka High Court had refused them relief. The lawyers Abhishek Singhvi and Kapil Sibal arguing for this Congress leader argued that right to free speech and protest is key to democracy. And this was a classic case where dissent was being attempted to be muzzled using criminal provisions. But initially, the Supreme Court was not inclined to interfere, saying that how can you claim special privilege rights if as a politician, and is it like politicians can get away with anything? And what about a common man? A common man in such situations, he will continue to face criminal prosecution. But in the end, eventually, Supreme Court has given them relief, staying all proceedings as far as this affair registered against them for protest is concerned. And in fact, which means that all proceedings before the trial court related to this February 14, 2022 case will remain stayed. And this comes as a huge relief for Siddaramaiah and Randeep Surjewala. Back to you.
Right, Harish. Thank you very much for getting us the latest as far as this is concerned and essentially helping us better understand the backdrop of this case. We're going to have to leave it at that. Let's shift our focus.